So if you use the IKEA IDÅSEN desk integration,
Hmm.
there's actually like you'll have your controls obviously to bring it up and down, and then there's a sensor for a height, but it
Hmm.
tells you how high or low it is. And then there's a in the configuration section, there's a Bluetooth connect or Bluetooth disconnect option. So you have to click that connect button, it'll force that awake, and then you can do whatever you want to do.
Interesting. Okay, I might have to look
Yeah.
into that integration. Regarding your sit standing thing, I don't know if you use Telegram, but I would recommend Telegram callbacks. I've just created an automation for my office, which I think Copilot helps me write.
Yeah.
When I move into the office and it's a work day, and I'm working from home, obviously, after I've been in the office, I think for 10 minutes, if it's between 9 and 5, it will prompt me, it'll send me a message to Telegram saying, hey, would you like me to play some music in the office? To which I
Nice.
say yes. It will then shuffle some playlists. It'll then reply back to me, okay, I'm playing this playlist on a Sonos speaker,
That's cool.
and there'll be a shuffle button that I can then re-trigger that automation to shuffle a new um,
Yeah.
favorite. So you could do something similar
That's
with your
neat.
desk if you've been, if the desk
Yeah.
has been in this sitting position for X amount of hours and it's a work day, prompt you on Telegram, would you like to stand? Yes or no? Or
Yeah.
you could go even further if you walk out of the office, um, put the desk in standing mode. So when you come back, you've got no choice but to
That's right.
stand.
But it's also like again, there's scenarios where it's like, okay, sometimes I'm running late for a meeting. Like I like sitting while I'm like during a meeting or something like that for work.
Yep.
I like, but I'm okay with both sit or stand with like while I'm just working, getting tasks done, that kind of thing. So the only problem is it's like if I run out, like when you're back to back meetings, those kind of things, you have like 30 seconds to go run out, get a glass of water or something like that, come back. And then at that point, if it's up, I'm like, oh, okay, let's get bring this back down. and
Well, if you're having stand-up meetings, then you could be standing up for your stand-up meeting.
that's
Just
true.
saying.
See, I'm not a developer. I don't have stand up. So
Ah, well, that's your
it's a,
problem.
that's funny.